Fruit, fiber, vegetables, seeds, nuts. Are they healthy for us? They're not necessarily high in carbs and sugar, right? But are all those things I mentioned healthy for us? I'm John Laspina, and I'm here to tell you that vegetables and fruits, nuts and seeds, and fiber are bulk. They're just there to give us pleasure. They don't really provide a lot of nutrition. There's a lot of anti-nutrients in vegetables, in fruits, in nuts and seeds. So I recommend that you stay away from large amounts of vegetables and fruits, nuts and seeds. There's a controversy about fiber, whether you should have a lot of it or a little bit or different kinds. I won't go into that right now, but I do believe that we are healthier on a beef, lamb, pork, poultry, fish, eggs, butter, beef tallow way of eating than a fruit, vegetable, nut, seeds, and fiber way of eating. Nuts and seeds, first of all, are the offspring of the plant, and the plant wants to protect its offspring. The mother wants to protect the baby. Those nuts and seeds have a lot of phytates and oxalates and other anti-nutrients that are there to protect them from being eaten. Seeds are meant to be grown into another plant. They don't want to be eaten. As delicious as we love peanut butter and nut butters and pistachio nuts and walnuts, oh my gosh, do I love nuts. I do. But I don't eat anymore because of the anti-nutrients. They don't want to be eaten. They're not as healthy for you as you think they are. If you want to indulge and enjoy a little bit of them, fine. Just have the knowledge of what's in them and how they affect your body and proceed accordingly. I'm here to tell you that we are probably healthier not having as many vegetables and fruits, nuts and seeds. And in my opinion, less fiber. Because when you don't have all that, you end up having less fiber. Find what works for you and be honest with yourself. And try different ways and see if your body functions more efficiently with less of that fiber stuff. Have a great day, everybody.